Seems like an ordinary weekend? No. For Mike, this is an ordinary workday. Managing the fleet of your machines doesn't have to be a tough task. It's all possible thanks to the new Machine IQ app. Now his entire fleet of Bobcat machines is in the palm of his hand. Accessible anytime, anywhere. Machine IQ offers complete information about your fleet. Machine's location, fuel levels, service and maintenance details. You can even set the geofence breaches directly from the app to stop any unplanned trips. Stay connected with your fleet through Machine IQ from any device. Enjoy peace of mind knowing all your machines are always productive, whether you're on a busy job site, having a long day in the office, or relaxing at home, so you have the time to do what matters the most. Bobcat Machine IQ, empowering you to achieve more and worry less.